Jeff Hyman's NV900 that I built for him about 10 years ago. Trying some new batteries in it today. Z10,000 milliamp, 22.2 volt packs in it. They're about 1.25 pounds lighter than what we've been flying in it. So we're hoping we see a little performance increase. I know it's been a while since you've flown, but how's it feel?
It's pretty good. Light.
This is an ePower conversion from Vario's original Nitro. The impeller turns around 16,000 RPM for the no-tar portion of this. Running a 5-bladed head, and I think he's running about, what do you run, about 1300 on the head speed. It is a bit of a power hog. It sucks probably about 70 or 80 amps in normal flight because of the impeller and the speed it turns, but this thing flies actually really nice. Jeff does a good jive piloting it too. So. Moving out. Weather's actually been pretty nice for us, other than being a little cloudy and a little breeze, but not bad. Certainly better than yesterday with the wind. Of course, the rain a little bit this morning, but by the time we got here and set up, that was kind of all done. We just had to deal with a little fog. My video was 3 minutes 45 seconds.
I just want to see what the batteries. I wanted to see what the batteries look like.
Yeah.
You know, it was good.
Yeah.
Butch Wellmaker built that. I'm Cole Trickle.
Yeah. Ricky Bobby.
Shake and bake.
Great flight, Jeff. Thanks for coming out today.
Yeah, man. Thanks for having me. This thing hasn't been flown in over a year, so I just want to try it one time first. I'll fly it a little bit harder next time.
Yeah, looked good. Tracking was right on too. That's probably the best one I ever put together, I think. Anyway, again, thanks for coming out.